the Rockies scoreboard operator is going through some stuff. Oh my God.
Yeah, wow. I thought you might like this because it has to do with baseball.
Okay, so this is the scoreboard and the big display in Colorado in the stadium. And it's listed as game notes, but it's this message that's been put up on the display by whoever's operating this scoreboard. Yeah. And it says, life pro tip. Don't put up with anyone who is reckless with your heart. Life will be dramatically better if you don't pay mind to any heartbreaker. Unless it's the Pat Benatar song or the Mariah Carey song or the Led Zeppelin song. So to sum it up, song form, heartbreaker equals okay. Real life, heartbreaker equals tell them to scram.
Game notes.
Game notes. Yeah, baseball is the type of sport where you could do something like this and everyone will see it because there's enough breaks to be, wow, did you see what the guy wrote on? You can have a whole conversation about it before the next play.
Yeah.
Which is kind of great about hanging out outdoors, watching some baseball. But I can't say I've ever seen something quite like this before. But maybe he's referencing the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard situation.
Maybe. Or he's going through something. Yeah.
Yeah. I think it's kind of nice that he lightened the mood a little bit with the whole musical stuff. Because it was getting a little, you're like, oh man, this guy, I feel bad for him.
Except, no real life heartbreaker, no song form heartbreaker.
Yes,
one
you need them to make that.
One predicates the other, so I don't know that you can have one without the other.
And heartbreak songs are good because they're so relatable because everybody's had their heart broken.
So, or the people are just making heartbreak songs because they know they're going to be hits.
Yeah.
And their heart's not even broken in that moment. Like Mariah Carey's like, they need a heartbreak song.
She's having the best time.
Yeah. My heart's perfectly great, but the market needs a heartbreak song. So anyway, shout out to the operator. I hope you got it figured out, sir. And that's a beauty. I don't know if how the Rockies organization feels about it. Did they sign off or was this a rogue type of exercise?
Right. Is he in trouble now?
That's a big sign.
I think it's. I mean, he didn't really say anything controversial. I hope there's no retribution here.
What if like Coca-Cola gets angry?
Yeah, Coca-Cola's always angry.
Yeah.
No, I'm kidding.